Hey guys, it's Julia. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Euphoria inspired New Year's Eve / party eye makeup look. I love Euphoria inspired makeup looks. They're so much fun to do. It's fun to use color and rhinestones. I wanted to make this wearable and not like totally crazy. So this is what we have going on today. I'm probably 100% actually going to wear this out on New Year's. I think it's so fun. And I also didn't want to bore you guys with a whole face of makeup because I've done that before and everybody has their look that they like to do for their foundation, all of that. So I've just gone ahead and done a quick little tutorial on this eye look. And I really hope that you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment below what you'd like to see more of from me. All right, enjoy the video. Okay, so it actually just started pouring, so if you hear the rain, sorry about that. I'm set up next to my window. This is just the best that I can do. But as you can see, I already have my whole face done besides my eyes because everyone just usually does the same like face routine. So there's nothing special for New Year's. I've done this same thing over and over again. The only new thing is my lip color. I have on the Marc Jacobs lip pencil in shade Slow Burn. And I love it. It's a great lip liner. I don't even put lipstick on with it. I just wear it like that. But yeah, so we are gonna get into the eyes. Okay, so I haven't practiced this yet, so I don't even know what's going on, but I'm pretty much going for, as you saw in the intro, a Euphoria fun party look, New Year's Eve, Euphoria, whatever. If you guys haven't seen my Halloween devil look, watch it. It was really fun and really good. We are taking the Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner. Okay, first, actually, I just decided to put on just a little layer of this Jeffree Star highlighter in Snow Globe, like just on the lid, just to give it something, just because I feel so weird not doing anything. So yeah, let's just give a little layer of glitz. A little on the other eye, just to give it something. And like highlight the brow bone, even though that's usually last. Okay, so now that that's done, we are going to go in with the eyeliner I was talking about and just do a big black wing. I usually just go like this and then point it, like if I imagine that these two were gonna come and make an arrow, like make a point, that is where I aim my wing for. And then I just like bring it up on the bottom. And sometimes it's horrible, so if this turns out horrible, I might have to redo it. Not a big deal. Okay, so now that we have that wing, I'm going to go in and do the other wing, just so we're keeping it symmetrical here. There's the wings. And then now we are going to do the rhinestones, which is the funnest part of doing like Euphoria makeup or whatever. So I just bought this pack of rhinestones from Michael's, but I'm pretty sure that you can get them literally anywhere. The shape of the rhinestones that I'm going for is that. Now I think that these rhinestones are a little bit bigger than hers, so it might be a little bit harder. But what we're gonna do is we're going to get a rhinestone on the tweezers. I just lost it. And then take eyelash glue and put a little bit on the end of the stone. And then let it get a little tacky, because if you put it on when it's totally wet, it is way harder. And then when we put it on, we are going to put it at the end of the wing, but not like on the outside. Actually, let me look. Yeah, not on the outside, but more like on top. So like there. Yeah, see, these are definitely a little big, but we're just gonna go with it. And that is the first placement of the rhinestone. And then for the next one, we are going to want to just do it like angled up because we're going to be doing like a rainbow. I'm pretty sure hers gets smaller like when she starts going in here, but I have now got the other one all prepped with glue. We're just giving it a second to dry. Okay, I'm going to put this one like there. Is that too much of an angle? Yeah, that's probably a little bit too much of an angle. So I'm just going to push it down just a little bit, and then no worries because the glue underneath will dry. Very cute so far. I'm probably gonna actually wear this out on New Year's, so I'm happy that I'm having a moment to practice right now. You know, I actually feel like I should put on my mascara now just so that you can see how it's coming together a little bit better. So I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It's my favorite. I strayed for a little bit using the Milk Kush mascara, but that was not it. I did not like that one at all, honestly. So we're back. We're back to the Better Than Sex. God, I love when you just keep adding and then the look starts coming together and it's just like so cute. That is so cute. Honestly, like, do I just do it like that or do I keep it going? I'll keep it going just for the sake of doing what I said I was gonna do, but honestly, maybe I'll just do it like that for New Year's. I feel like that's so cute. Oh my god. See, like at first, when you don't have like a visual to see how it's turning out, you're not sure, but once you keep putting them and it just like starts looking so good, I get so excited. Next. Perfect. Damn, I'm really good at placing these. Wow. Maybe I stop there. I'm kind of afraid to try and take these big stones like in. Kind of feel like stopping there. But we'll do one more. One more. Okay, that's gonna be the last one. So that is the last stone on that eye, and then now I'm gonna do the other eye. Don't worry, I'm not gonna make you sit through it. I'm gonna go ahead and do it off camera. Okay, both sides are done with the stones and I couldn't be more happy. I love it. Now we have to add some color because of course Euphoria always has some color. So I'm gonna take this this Glossier eyeliner. It's called the Play eyeliner and it is in shade Critical Mass. And I'm gonna put it underneath my eyelashes. And we're just going to add some fun pop of pink under there. Oh yeah, that's very cute. Try and blend it into the wing a little bit. Okay, so that's what that eye looks like. Now we'll do the other eye. Bring it up to the liner a little bit. So now I'm trying to decide what I want to do with this sparkle liner, if I want to do anything. I'm thinking maybe like that. Okay, hi, zoom back out. I'm gonna add a little bit of the lipstick from MAC called Cosmo because I think it has a little bit of shine. Yeah, just a little bit of shine there. So this is the final look. I hope that you guys liked the video. I personally think it's so cute and I'm glad that I practiced it once before I had to do it and go out in it for New Year's because it definitely took some time. Give yourself time. But yeah, I really like it. It's simple, but it's obviously not simple. I have rhinestones on my eyes, but it's like not like overly crazy. So I think it's a really good option. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.